Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the onesie mockups with neutral backgrounds in Pixlr. So first go to pixlr.com in any web browser. That's pixlr.com. And you see it gives you a couple of options. So we're going to click on the Playful Pixlr X. And then we want to open one of the mockups. So on the left hand side, click on Open Image. And we're going to find the mockup. We're just going to open one of the 6 mockups that we want to use. And it's going to ask us, we want to size it down. So just click on the original size and then click Apply. Okay, and once it has the mockup open, you'll see on the left hand side it has some icons. When you hover over the bottom one, it says Add Image. We want to click on that bottom icon and then click on Browse to get an image off our computer. And we just want to find our graphics and open them. And it's going to ask us whether we want to create a new document or add it as a layer to the current document. So click Add Current. And it's going to place the graphic right over the onesie, but it might be a bit big. So just click on any of the 4 corners and then hold down the Shift key and just drag in to make it smaller. You can also drag out to make it bigger. And holding down the Shift key keeps the graphic proportionate so it doesn't get distorted. And when you think you've got it about the right size, when you hover over it, you'll see this little icon with the 4 arrows. Once you see that, you can just click and drag to move the graphic right over the top of the onesie. And then since the onesie's rotated, you're probably going to want to rotate the graphic a little. So then if you hover over this circle at the top, you'll see this little hand tool pop up. Once you see that, just click and drag it to the left a little bit to start rotating the graphic. The right will rotate it the other way. And when it looks like it's rotated about right, you're done. And to save it, you can just click this little Save button at the bottom. And for use as a thumbnail, like on Etsy, you'll want to use a JPEG. I'd change the quality to 100, make sure it's on high, and then just click Download. And it's just going to let you know that the image was saved to the default download folder. It'll give you an option to change it if you want to. And then if you wanted to save an original Pixlr document with the layers, you could just click Save Again, and then click on PXD and download that. And then after a few seconds, it'll give you the same message, just letting it know that the Pixlr document was saved to the default download folder, and it'll give you an option to change it. And that's all there is to adding your graphics to the JPEG files in Pixlr. Please let me know if you have any questions by messaging me at melissabmockups.com. And if you did want to change the color of the onesie or anything like that, then you need to use the PSD files, and you might want to check out the video on editing the PSD file in Photopea. And there are also 5 other JPEG images if you want to change the background. Alright, thank you. Have a great evening.